Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Waddle back with a new video. Today is a little something different. I haven't done a video on this yet, but we are going geocaching. So if you don't know what geocaching is, it's basically when people hide stuff all over the world, like the globe, and they leave it for other people to find, and they leave clues and stuff online that lead you to the right location of where it is. So about 10 minutes ago, I solved this puzzle online to get the correct coordinates to find this geocache. And we are heading to the location right now to see if I was correct. And I hope I'm correct because we spent the whole morning looking for a different type of geocache and a different place, and we had no luck, and we looked for like 2 hours. So I'm hoping today, right now, is where we get some luck and we find one. Alright guys, so I checked the location and it was in a tree. Look at this. So it's a piece of bark, right? But on the back, it's a container. And we're gonna go ahead and open this and see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. I don't even know how to open it. Opens up like that. We found a little gun. There's a little tiny gun to commemorate the clues, because the clues were about a duel. And this looks like our logbook right here. So we're gonna go ahead and sign it. There's a few other stuff that I can't find. We're gonna go ahead and take one of these because the owner said there are some tokens, and I'm guessing these are the tokens, and we can only take one and leave the rest for the others to find. So we're gonna go ahead and sign this log and return it back where we found it. So there you go, guys. We have signed the cache. I signed it as Waddle. I can't know if you see, but right there, we signed it. Now it's time to return it and go on and look for more caches. This is cool. Cool container. Time to go. Put it back. And just like that, we're on to our next cache. Alright guys, so we're currently at a nearby park looking for 2 geocaches at this location. We're gonna try to find it. One of them was found in February, the other one was found a year ago. So hopefully we'll be able to find both of them. If not both of them, then one of them. And if not one of them, then I'm gonna be sad. But I hope we can find one, and I'll let you guys know if we find it. So we just checked the first location, and unfortunately we weren't able to find the first one. Maybe we can find the second one, although the second location hasn't been found in a year, so odds are pretty slim, but we're hoping to find it. So we searched each spot for around 10-15 minutes and we found nothing, and it's frustrating, but hopefully someone else finds it, someone else finds it so that we know it's there, and then we can go find it again. Currently gonna go on the geocaching app and look for more caches around us because I'm not done yet. I wanna find at least one more before we call it a day. So time to go on the app and search for more geocaches. Alright guys, so after getting some boba really quick, I love boba, we decided to stop by this other cache where we have to look at pictures and match the pictures to find out where this goes. We're gonna be walking on what we look like so far. We're walking on a trail. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm probably gonna be filming a little bit. I'm not gonna show where the cache is, but I'm gonna be filming us walking to it. So let's find our way there. All right guys, we're currently walking down the path right now. We have to walk down this path right here. Ooh, a bit scary. Nice looking planks though. I've never been to this area before. Haven't seen anything yet, but I don't think it's not here. It's not here yet. We're still following the pictures that we see on my phone right now. We're currently checking photos. I may have just found it. I'm gonna go check it out. All right guys, so we found the cache. It was located in a log, and now it's time to open it and see what exactly we got. So it's in a Talenti box, bro. Talenti's hella good. I really didn't think it was in there, and then I searched. It's just like escape rooms where if you think it's not gonna be there, it's probably there. So let's open it up, and wow, look at here. We have the log and we have a bunch of cool little swag we could trade. There's the log. Hell yeah. Take off my mask so it's easy to talk. So we're gonna go ahead and sign it here. Alright, so we went ahead and we signed Wahdle. I drew a little pig. I'm not the best artist, but we drew a little pig. Signed it Wahdle, added the date. Let's go look at some of the things they've included in here. We have a pig. This is Wahdle right here. We have a bunch of pencils, we have some pins, we have some rocks, some marbles. But this is a cool little pig. I would love to take this pig, but I have nothing to trade with. You think they'll take a roll of tape? Always, next time we go geocaching, I will bring something to trade. Maybe they'll take my mask. So my dad had this genius idea. Since I had nothing to trade for this cool pig for Wahdle, we're gonna leave $1 for someone. And if you're the lucky viewer that finds this $1, congrats, you can go, oh, I dropped a pig. Oh no. Waddles, are you good? But if you're the lucky person who finds this cash and gets $1, congrats, you can buy yourself like a sausage burrito at McDonald's or something. But now that we have the $1 and we've secured the pig, we're gonna go ahead and put this back. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. It was really cool finding that cash. I'm really tired. I got excited, so I started like hopping and I was going up and down the hill again. But that was a really cool cache, and it was my very first cache where I got to trade something. So we ended up getting this pig, as you guys, I've told you before, and we left $1 because I have nothing else to trade. So, like I said, if you're the one who finds the $1, congrats, you found the $1. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed. I definitely will be making more geocaching videos the next time I do go geocaching, because it is a lot of fun. It's a little frustrating not to find it, but when you find it, it makes up for all the not found ones in the past. Like the video, subscribe. I can't really think right now, but like the video, subscribe, make sure to stay safe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.